Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgozo Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Tiamo Smith Buthelezi is expecting her first baby Kisana and is Jabule Gwani. Indoleng Jabule oh Anati. So Tiamo and Mr. B, guys, they are married. Bashala together, it's been years, guys. And people have been asking, oh, when is the little one coming? When are you getting pregnant? Blah blah. People have been asking my questions. Ukuthi bafuna wadi ukuthi mntwana nyana, little Mr. B nyana uthini. I remember 3 days back Wendile nje lapha ku Instagram story yakhe la bekabhale ukuthi abantu abambude khona ama questions. Bambude abantu ama questions. Someone said ukuthi simbona nini little Mr. B, when are you getting pregnant? Washo ukuthi hey, I've been planning but into lithola ukuthi ngiyendeki, so nyalo sengibeke konke enkosini, knowing very well ukuthi girl she is pregnant kasana. So today uhambe lapha ku Instagram where you announce pregnant yakhe and bani la pregnancy yakhe rather, and bani abaningi guys bajabule ngendlela lesimanga. People are saying ukuthi hayibo girl, congratulations guys. Yeah, babathi umuntu kusha nge-surprise basho thiya. I never expected this one. I didn't see this one coming. I never thought about it. Angase nje ngaqabanga noma aphendula ama questions angizange ngabona nje ukuthi hayi lo ngathi udlala ngathi maybe she's expecting or something. Angizange ngicabanga guys, bengamqabangile. I swear to God nje pregnancy bengibonela very far from thiya. Bengibona ngazuthi vele she's someone longafona umntwana, or maybe she's not ready, akamfuni nyalo yabo. Guys, I'm so happy for her. I've never been happy for a stranger ngale ndlela guys, ngimjabulele. Futhi nje ungishaya ngale cool surprise mina nje ngikhulumele ngiyi-one guys. This is a huge surprise. I've seen my content creators, my YouTubers abanetiso announce, but lo guys Tia angase ngamqabanga la. Congratulations to you, madam. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.